Start by cloning the open-source QuantJourney Backtester from GitHub. Open your terminal, run the git clone command, and enter the new project directory. The repository contains the engine, bundled strategies, examples, tests, and documentation. To use managed market data, open the QuantJourney Backtester site and select Join Beta. Enter your name, email, company, and professional profile. Tell us which data providers you already use and what you want to test, such as strategy research, walk-forward validation, or portfolio construction. Accept the terms, submit the form, and we will review your request. After your beta access is approved, sign in to the QuantJourney user portal. Open Backtester keys from the left-hand menu. Select Add Key and give the key a clear name, for example, Local Strategies. Create the key and copy it immediately. For security, it is shown only once. Now we will run the first strategy. In the cloned repository, export the API key you created as QJ API key. Create a clean Python virtual environment. Then activate it. Keeping dependencies isolated makes the run reproducible and avoids conflicts with your system Python. Install the Backtester with the data, reporting, and PDF extras. This adds the engine, the managed data client, and the reporting stack. The first installation can take a moment while Python resolves and installs the required packages. Once installation is complete, use strategy.sh with the list option to see the bundled examples. The repository includes weight-based portfolio strategies, order-driven strategies, walk-forward validation, and optimization workflows. For this first run, we will use a market order moving average crossover. The strategy trades SPY, QQQ, and IWM using short-term and long-term moving averages. Select the strategy by its identifier and set an output directory for the report. Run it through strategy.sh, the repository's command line wrapper. The Backtester authenticates with QuantJourney, requests a reproducible market data snapshot, reconstructs the dataset, and executes the strategy locally. Your strategy logic remains on your machine. When the run finishes, the terminal prints the main results: final net asset value, total return, annualized volatility, maximum drawdown, and Sharpe ratio. The output directory contains machine-readable metrics, returns, weights, and transactions, together with the equity curve, drawdown chart, dashboard, and run metadata. Open the summary for a quick terminal view, or launch the dashboard for the full analysis. The Backtester generates a self-contained HTML dashboard in the report directory. Open dashboard.html in your browser. At the top, review the core metrics and the complete performance table. Scroll through the equity curve, drawdowns, return distributions, rolling risk, turnover, exposures, and position history. Every chart comes from the same reproducible run, so the results can be inspected, shared, and audited.